Don't starve your baby. Don't be ashamed to breastfeed in a public place. Exclusive breastfeeding is not easy. So guys, we're at Ikea. I'm here. I want to pick up a mat for Kian. You know, Kian has started crawling. This is the mat that they have here. This is the pink one, and this is for boys, obviously. So I'm going to pick one for Kian so that whenever he's crawling, he's not going to bump his head. And one is $49.99. That's $50 for one.
Mommy is breastfeeding here. And I just finished breastfeeding, but Kian wants more breast.
Is there more, buddy?
Mommy.
All right. Bye, camera.
Never mind. And we bought a lot of stuff. So let's walk around. Look at all these stuff we bought. And Kayla, don't eat it. And this is something that Mommy gave to Kayla that we bought too. Oh, look at her. She's cute. Ryan. Look at Ryan all the way over there.
So guys, to all my new mom out there, when your baby is crying in the market, look for a comfortable place and breastfeed the baby. So I was searching around in Ikea. This is the most comfortable place I was able to get. So I just put myself in, cover myself. Don't starve your baby. Don't be ashamed to breastfeed in a public place. It's part of us. Don't make your baby go hungry because you are ashamed to bring out your breast in the public place. Bring out your breast and breastfeed the baby. Now the baby is happy again. Yes, Kayla. Kayla, say hello.
Hi. I'm going to be making some chin-chin.
We got some stuff here. I'll show you guys when we get to the house. After sucking. Kia, you still hungry? You better leave my hair alone. Kia cannot leave my hair and my earring alone. I'm wearing it again. Kayla, get that thing off your mouth. You have opened it and you started sucking on it.
Hey. Okay.
Finally done buying. Look at us, we're going home. Yeah, that's 2 big bags full of the next. Just in case I cannot show you guys what to get. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Sarah. We are food and lifestyle blogger living in Canada, Ottawa to be precise. Thank you to all my old and new subscribers. We appreciate you all. So yesterday I took you guys along with me to Ikea and I promised to show you guys what I bought, but when I got home I was too exhausted, like I was tired. So I just left the things on the dining table and now I'm feeling myself. So if you don't feel yourself, you can't feel it. So I'm feeling myself, so I have decided to come and show you guys what we bought. I'm not going to be wasting time, just a quick show to you guys. And also, don't forget, yesterday I was telling you guys when I was buying those stuff, I was talking to all my new mom because I realized that I have lots of new mom subscribed to my channel and you guys always leave me questions and I always answered you guys. So you see the way I breastfed Kenya yesterday publicly. So if your baby is crying publicly, please don't be shy, because I was talking about it since we are in a hurry, we want to do the vlog, so I could not continue. Don't be shy in a public place to breastfeed your baby. Your baby comes first, whether in the church, in the market, in a public place. If you're the type that wants to just free bring out your breast and breastfeed your baby, go ahead, knock yourself out. But if you are the type that maybe you are shy or anything, once your baby starts crying in the mall, all you need to do is look for a quiet place. You will see in the video the way I did it. Look for the place that is not too busy. If you don't sit chair, just sit around one corner, try and cover yourself. Well, you know when you put blanket over the children, they don't like it. They keep pushing it away. You can just put only hand on your breast like that. Or if you don't if you are the type that you don't mind, just leave it alone. The bottom line is that don't be shy to breastfeed your baby, provided your baby is happy. So now I bought these 2 mini bin. I have 2 already. I just want to have some downstairs, the mini powder room downstairs and in the kitchen. So I just want to have, I already have 2 upstairs. So, and I bought this mini hanger because it's summer now. Kian's beef is not everything. No, kids, they run out. We use beef a lot. So sometimes I just hand wash them. I don't wait when the whole clothes is dirty and I want to do laundry. And I have hanger. Instead of me carrying, I have already left one at the back. Instead of me carrying it all the time, sometimes I will just, my husband was asking me yesterday, what is this? My husband asked. So look at it. So I bought this mini hanger so I could just clip Kian's beef. Once it is dry, just take it upstairs like this and also hang it. And I will be taking it and using it there. So is this not cute? It's cute. So I also bought these hangers. I bought 5 of these. I used 2 this morning to hang. Whose closet was I working on this morning? I already used 2 out of 5 that I bought. And I bought this beautiful bedspread, guys. It's cute. I really love it. I also bought this beautiful bedspread for Ryan's bed or Jeanette's bed, whoever chooses whichever one they want. I also bought this one. It's just bedspread. I bought lots of bedspread yesterday. Look at that. I bought this bedspread too. So if anyone you cannot see well, once I vlog my life at times, you guys can only see my room. And I saw these cups. I felt they were just too cute, guys. And you know now, once you have kids, that's another thing. Once you have kids, they can easily break your things. Just oh, did I let me put this cup there before you know, blah, she has dropped it. You can't kill yourself, so you just keep buying. So I have rubber cup for my kids, but sometimes home accident is inevitable. Don't kill your child because they break bottle. One day they will be working and they will pay us back. So I bought the blue one, I bought the green one, and this is one of the drinks. Is pineapple and grapes. Yeah, I've not tried it before. I saw it, the color was inviting. I already have one of this laundry bag. I love it, so I decided to buy a second one so I can have 2 because we may need for the family. And I bought 2 of this. I already washed one and used one. Since we are done with this, let me just move this aside. So this is the major reason why we went to Ikea. We didn't go to Ikea for any other reason. We actually went because of this. Now, Kian, you know, I just started putting Kian to sleep, but he's not waiting at all. It's as if he's like, this woman, you have wasted my time. As soon as I started sitting him down, he started jumping forward. Kian wants to start crawling. And each time my kids want to start crawling, this is what I always do. Because they are children, before they will start jumping and walking, they end up, somebody will look for a way to bore a hole. Before I know, I don't have it anymore. So I will normally buy one of this. So you see the way it's looking? It's like a mat, it's like a bed. You see that? So all I need to do is just spread this.
It's not big.
Yeah. I'll just spread it on the ground. So if he chooses to dive, even if he hits his jaw on the ground or hits his hand, he's not going to get injured. So I got it from Ikea. So safety measure for your children when they start crawling. So when I put this one, spread this one and sit him, I'll put like my pig is like a teddy bear. Put it by the side, put another one, put breastfeeding pillow by the back. So no matter what, he's not going to injure. Anything dangerous, take it in. We are done with this. We are done with the best spreads. So look at that. Kitchen towel. I bought this too. I put one. Each time I put in the washroom, my kids, I don't know. I shall know. I don't know. So I bought, you know, summer is here, guys. All these other popsicles that we normally buy, sometimes they said there's no sugar. There is sugar. So I want to be blending my spoolie, then put them here, freeze them up, and give to my kids as popsicle summer. So I bought 2 of those. Then I bought this clip. You know now, if you want to clip the mouth of your garbage bag so your kids cannot go inside and start picking garbage, or you open a carry bag. I bought this mat. If you want to buy mat, guys, initially when I want to buy mat, I just buy. But these days, since I know that this cloth on there are washable, each time they're just dirty because you have kids, you don't want your children to be sick, then just put them there, wash them, spread them back. So I just prefer these ones, this cloth one. They are better than the ones that have all this patchy at the back. So I bought 2. So I bought 2 of those, and preparing for Kian's eating like no man's business. So I bought this for Kian so that as soon as he turns 6 months, I can feed him some akamu custard. Yeah, you want to decorate cake, or you want to put some already blended pepper in the fridge, or groundnut oil. Except when you are doing recipe video, and just put it here. So just put your olive oil instead of carrying the bottle all the time. So I bought 2 of those. That's what I bought. I bought this white bowl. That's me, I'm making noise. I have a fry pan though, but I just bought this one because I want to film recipe video. And I bought this pink bedspread for Janelle. I saw it and I love it, and I just put it for her. I bought Ubeba. I will always buy Ubeba every time I go to Ikea. Then, and I bought these plants. So these plants normally comes like this. You have to buy the vase. So I bought the vase. And I also bought this one. I love this one. It's so beautiful.
Mama,
and I bought the vase too. Yeah, I know. It's beautiful. This one too. So beautiful. And I bought, for the very first time in my life since I was born, I bought a live plant, and I'm going to take care of aloe vera. You know, aloe vera is good for your hair, for your face, for your bobo and bobo oil. I normally use it for my hair and my face. So I decided to buy this one so that I can take care of it. Let me see if I will. God's time, God's love. If I will be a farmer like you. So what else? I think that's all. I've showed you guys all this. So that's all for today's video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much to all my exes fans. Peace, we out.